Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to build web applications using Python. We will use the Flask framework, a lightweight and easy to use web framework for Python. Flask is an excellent choice for beginners and is also powerful enough for more complex applications. Before we begin, make sure you have the following installed on your machine. Python, download Python. Flask, install Flask using the following command in your terminal or command prompt. Create a new directory for your project and navigate into it. Create a file named app.py in your project directory. Open it in a text editor and add the following code. This code sets up a basic Flask application with a single root, / that returns the string hello, world. The if ___name ____ equals ___ main ___ block ensures that the development server is started when you run the script. In your terminal or command prompt, run the following command. Visit http://127.0.0.1:5000/ in your web browser, and you should see the hello, world, message. Let's enhance our application by using HTML templates. Create a new folder in your project directory named templates. Inside the templates folder, create a file named index.html with the following content. Now, modify your app.py file to render this template. Let's create a simple form that takes user input and displays it. Update your index.html file. And modify your app.py file to handle form submissions. Now, your application will greet the user by name when the form is submitted. Congratulations! You've built a simple web application using Python and Flask. From here, you can explore more advanced features of Flask, such as database integration, authentication, and RESTful APIs, to create more robust web applications. ChatGPT.